Live chat widgets are one of the best ways to engage with website visitors in real time. So in this video, I'll show you how to create your very own and install it on your website or funnel. To get started, navigate to Sites. Then in the menu at the top of your screen, navigate to the right over to Chat Widget. From here, you can create and customize your first chat widget. To get started, let's click New. Then we can select to either create an SMS/email chat, a live chat, or a WhatsApp chat. In this video, I'll show you how to create a live chat, which is a real-time, two-way conversation within the chat widget. From here, click Select. This is the chat widget editor, where we can customize our chat widget and view it in real time across multiple devices. You'll notice that as soon as you create a chat widget, you'll be good to go with preloaded questions, photos, and messaging to make your customer's experience as good as possible. To make edits, we have 3 different types of customizations we can access on the left-hand side. 1 being widget, 2 being chat window, and 3 being our messaging. We'd recommend that you navigate through each one of these windows so you can customize the widget to suit your needs. Once you're satisfied with how your widget looks, the type of messaging that you have, and the layout of the chat window across multiple devices, click Save. You have 2 methods to install your chat widget. The first one can be done by clicking Get Code, copying this code here, and then pasting it in the body or footer section of our website. To do this, navigate back to Sites, then navigate back to your website or funnel and into the site editor. Within our funnel, we can navigate to our tracking code at the top, and then paste our embed code here. If your website or funnel is built outside of this platform, then this is going to be the best way to install your chat widget. But if your site is native to the platform like this one, then what we can do is X out of this screen, navigate back to our funnel settings, and then select our chat widget under the chat widget dropdown. We can do this and then click Save. And to preview your website or funnel, go back to Steps or Pages, click the preview icon, and just like that, you can see your website or funnel live. And in the bottom right-hand corner, we can see our chat widget live on our website. People all across the world can contact you through your website, and you or members on your team can answer their questions in order to move them throughout the sales process. Feel free to customize your chat widget even further with new icons, messaging, and additional functionality. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you so much for watching.